Hello everyone, thank you for watching our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a chicken crackling with the chicken skins. For this recipe, you just need some few chicken skins, 2 tablespoons of the all-purpose flour, pinch of salt, pinch of pepper, pinch of red chili powder, a little turmeric. Once you skin out the chicken, wash it with the turmeric and the little salt. Once you wash the chicken skins, keep it aside to water to dry it. By the time chicken skins dry the water, take a bowl, mix all the ingredients together. Once you mix well together, take a dried skin and coat well. Heat the 3 table cups of oil and let it heat up on the medium flame. Well coated chicken skins, put it on the oil and let it fry until it changes the golden red color and crispy. You can serve with the chutneys or salsa to the kids. This gives a very hearty flavor for your gatherings and very easy to make good snacks for the children as well. Thank you for watching our channel. Visit our restaurant Priya's Made with Love. Please do like and share and subscribe. You guys have a blessed day.